Welcome, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me today for this yoga for neck and shoulders sequence. Let's begin in a seated position of your choice. Hands can rest on the knees. We'll begin by doing some subtle movements with our neck. So let's start by moving our head up and down, making sure to breathe. And then when you're ready, we'll take our head side to side, waking up the muscles in the neck, warming up the neck for today's practice. And then when you're ready, let's inhale, lift both hands up towards the sky. Exhale, twisting over to our right hand behind us, acting as a second spine. Inhale to lengthen, exhale to twist, waking up the shoulders. Exhale, come back to center. And we'll inhale, bring our hands up towards the sky. Exhale, twisting over to the other side. Left hand behind you, acting as a second spine. Inhale to lengthen, exhale to twist. When you're ready, exhale, come back to center. And from here, let's place our right hand on our back, bringing our right elbow up towards the sky, grabbing our right elbow with our left hand, getting a nice deep stretch in our right shoulder. Breathing here. Then on your next exhale, release and take it over to the other side, placing the left hand on our back with our left elbow pointing up towards the sky. Placing our right hand on our left elbow, getting a nice deep stretch in our left shoulder. Exhale, release. And from here, let's just tilt our head to our right. We can walk our left hand out beside us for a deeper stretch. Really breathing into the left side of the neck. Exhale, release, take it over to the other side, tilting our head to our left, walking our right hand out to our right side, breathing into the right side of the neck. Exhale, release, come back to center. And now from here, let's inhale, bring our right hand up towards the sky. Exhale, wrap our right hand around our body, bringing it over to the left side and clasping both hands together, slightly tilting our head to our left side, feeling a great stretch in the shoulders. This is one of my favorite shoulder stretches. Make sure to breathe. Exhale, release, take it over to the other side. Inhale, bring the left hand up towards the sky. Bring our left hand around our body to our right side and clasping the hands together, tilting our head to the right side just gently, breathing into the shoulders. Exhale, release. From here, let's make our way into an extended child's pose, bringing the knees as wide as the mat and big toes to touch, arms extended out long in front of you, releasing any tension in the back and the shoulders. When you're ready, let's release. And we'll make our way into all fours, stacking the hands underneath the shoulders, knees underneath the hips. And when you're ready, we'll move with our breath, doing a few rounds of cat and cow. Inhale, dropping the belly, opening the chest. Exhale, rounding the spine. Inhale, drop the belly, open the chest. Exhale, round. Do a few more at your own pace, moving with your breath. When you're ready, let's come back to all fours, planting our left hand in the mat. Inhale, reach our right hand up towards the sky. Exhale, thread the right arm underneath the left, threading the needle, bringing our right ear and right shoulder to the mat. Breathing here, keeping the hips stacked over the knees. And on your next exhale, release, come back to center, take it over to the other side. Planting our right hand, inhale, lifting our left hand up towards the sky. Exhale, threading the left arm underneath our right, bringing the left shoulder and left ear to the mat. Breathing here. Exhale, come back to center. And from here, we'll make our way into a puppy pose, keeping the hips stacked over the knees. Let's extend our arms out long, feeling a nice stretch in our back and our shoulders. When you're ready, slowly start to release. Then from here, we'll make our way into a dolphin pose, planting the forearms into the mat and lifting our hips up just like we were in a downward facing dog. Really pushing into the forearms and the elbows into the mat. You can pedal out your feet here if that feels nice. Again, breathing into the shoulders. Exhale, come back down. And from here, let's do a couple rounds of baby cobras, planting the hands in the mat underneath the shoulders, elbows hugging into the body. And ever so slowly begin to lift the chest up on your inhale and back down on your exhale. Nice, slow, steady movements in our shoulders and our neck. And then from here, let's extend our right arm out long beside us into a T and step our left foot over our right leg with our left knee pointing up towards the sky. Another great stretch for the shoulders. Our left hand can stay planted in the mat. Continue to breathe. When you're ready, slowly release to get over to the other side, extending our left arm out long beside us into a T, stepping our right foot over our left leg with our right knee pointing up towards the sky. Right hand can stay planted in the mat. Really breathing in into our left shoulder. And then on your next exhale, slowly start to release back to center. And from here, let's come up into a high plank and then right away back to a downward facing dog. Hands are pushing into the mat, fingers spread wide. Pedaling out our feet here. And then when you're ready, let's inhale, lift our right leg up towards the sky. Exhale, step our right foot up between our hands. Air guitar our left arm up, coming into a warrior two pose. Making sure the right heel is in line with our left arch. And then from here, let's inhale, come into a peaceful warrior. Exhale, straighten the front leg and come down into a triangle pose, bringing the right hand down by your right ankle, keeping the core engaged here. Option I use a block to rest your right hand on. Then exhale, bend the right knee, come back to warrior two, and bring the hands back down to the mat. And then from here, let's plant our left hand in the mat and bring our right hand up towards the sky. Exhale, bring it back down. From here, we'll move into a upward facing dog, looking one way and then the other, and then quickly back to downward facing dog. Taking it over to the other side, inhale, bring the left leg up towards the sky. Exhale, step the left foot forward between our hands. Air guitar, the right arm up, coming up into warrior two, making sure left knee is over left ankle, arms to a T. And inhale, come into a peaceful warrior, nice side body stretch. Exhale, straighten the front leg and come down into a triangle pose. Option to use a block again. Exhale, release, bending the front knee, and then cartwheel the hands back down. This time planting our right hand in the mat. Inhale, reaching our left hand up towards the sky. And exhale, plant both hands, come into an upward facing dog. Keep the core engaged. Exhale, come back to downward facing dog. Great job, everyone. And from here, let's walk our hands towards our feet and come into a nice ragdoll forward fold, letting any tension go from the shoulders and the neck, releasing it all away, keeping the knees bent generously here. Option here to grab opposite elbows or shake your head yes and no. Finding any movement that feels good. And when you're ready, slowly rise all the way up into a mountain pose, stacking the vertebrae. Chin is the last lift. Notice how you feel now. Great work, everyone. From here, let's inhale, bring the hands up towards the sky. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, root to rise. Exhale, hands through heart. Awesome. We'll come into our final exercise, lifting both hands up towards the sky, grabbing our left wrist with our right hand, leaning over to the right side for a nice side body stretch, and then taking it over to the other side, grabbing our right wrist with our left hand, and then come back to center. Let's bring our hands together at our hearts. Thank you so much for joining me today. Namaste.